In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the meeting scheduler in Pipedrive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, you need to navigate to the Activities section. So, look at the left-hand sidebar on your Pipedrive dashboard. You should see an option labeled Activities. Go ahead and click on that. This is where all your scheduled activities will be listed and managed. Now, once you're in the Activities section, it's time to create a new activity. You'll want to look for the plus sign icon or the button that says Add Activity. It's usually located at the top area of the Activities section. When you click on that, a creation form will pop up ready for you to fill in all the details. This brings us to the next step, filling in the details of your meeting. I suggest entering a clear subject line so there will be no confusion about what the meeting is about. Make sure to set the date and specific start and end times for when your meeting will take place. Also, it's a good idea to add an agenda or description to give participants a better sense of what to expect. If you need to share a physical location or a video link for online meetings, don't forget to jot that down as well. After you've filled in those important details, it's time to select the activity type. You want to set that type field specifically to meeting. This is crucial as it helps Pipedrive to accurately categorize your entry as a calendar event. Proper categorization is important so that you can easily manage and view all your meetings without any confusion. Now that we've set up the basic details, let's link the event to the relevant person, organization, or deal. This is where you connect the dots between all parties involved in your meeting. It makes it easier to keep everything organized and allows all participants to be properly notified. Speaking of notifications, here's where you can set up your preferred reminder options. In Pipedrive, you can choose to receive reminders via email or through the app itself. Setting a reminder is a useful feature to ensure you don't lose track of when your meeting is happening. Finally, after you've reviewed all the information you've input, go ahead and save the activity. Take a moment to double-check that everything looks good. Once you hit save, your meeting will populate in your calendar and in your upcoming activities list. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your meeting scheduler in Pipedrive. Now you can manage your meetings with ease and ensure that everyone is on the same page. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Stay tuned for more useful tips on navigating your Pipedrive journey effectively.